wasn't quite what I thought I'd be. When I was a kid, I'm VIP. You thought when I get older, I'd marry her. I told her now I'm 26 and I work in an office. 9 till 5's not the best, I'll be honest. If I could change a single thing, I'd make it do nothing. He's in your bed, I'm in your Twitch chat. I've got the key and he's just a doormat. You know he's got social skills, that doesn't mean I can't pay the bills.